Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. Can anyone recommend a tax advisor or lawyer for retired US citizens planning to move to Spain and handle Spanish and US taxes on foreign pensions and income? Let's see the specific question. My retired parents in the US would like to move here to Spain to be close to us and are currently looking into the financial repercussions a big move would entail, specifically due to the fact that taxes are much higher here. Could anybody recommend a good tax advisor and tax lawyer that is knowledgeable about Spanish taxes regarding taxation of foreign pensions, income, etc., and if they have any experience with the US system? Even better. Now let's see the answers of Spainguru community members. Yes, taxes and gas are higher here, but so many other things are lower. Also, the lifestyle is healthier here, which has no price tag. Next one. They can stay for less than 6 months and keep tax residency in the US, or get the bulk of their assets out of their names and into a trust. Next one. If they are not strapped in debt, taxes are not an issue. It weighs out heavily in favor of Spain when you list the pros and cons. Tell them to get a dummy tax return completed, but to keep everything in perspective, the higher quality of food alone balances it out. Next answer. Also be aware Medicare doesn't attend outside the US. They will be required to obtain private health in here, but the cost is a fraction of US and services quite good. Next one. So many people have this question or similar questions. How much will I have to pay? The easy answer is you will have to pay more taxes in Spain than what you pay in the US, but the nuanced answer is that it is different for everybody. Spain has similar benefits like the US, standard deductions, credit for children, better rates for investment income. It has bad things like taxing Social Security more than the US and so on. What I suggest you do is that you hire a Spanish tax professional, feed him the numbers from 2022, and if there will be big changes in 2023 and later, then give him or her those numbers. He would run a simulation as if you were in Spain. Then a US tax professional would feed those numbers into US tax return to see how much you would pay in the US. Usually after the foreign tax credit, you should pay zero or low amount in the US. Spain has higher taxes, but or cheaper food, or better weather, etc. Life is not only about taxes. And last answer. I am currently planning as well. I consulted with Beatriz at Alvea, and actually you can find the link here and in the video description below, and I found her to be very knowledgeable, professional and helpful. In conclusion, moving to Spain from the US can bring about financial implications that should be considered. While taxes may be higher in Spain, the cost of living may be lower and the lifestyle may be healthier. It is important to seek advice from tax professionals who are knowledgeable about Spanish and US taxes, as the nuances of individual situations can greatly impact tax liabilities. Hiring a Spanish tax professional to run a simulation based on individual financial data, followed by a US tax professional to determine the impact on US tax returns, can help provide a clearer picture of potential tax liabilities. Ultimately, while taxes are an important consideration, it should not be the only factor when deciding whether to make the move to Spain. And here I'm sharing a couple of bonus links. Our first article is I plan to retire in Spain, are pension, social security and cash taxable? You can find the link in the video description below. And the second article is what is the taxation on foreign retirement income from an American 401k or Roth IRA in Spain? You can become part of our Spainguru community today by joining our Facebook groups. Our most important group is the Spain Immigration and Residency Questions group, with over 17,000 members. We also have dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visas with more than 2,300 members, and for the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa with 2,000 members. And if you need expert professional advice, we've got you covered. Just head to spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications and renewals. That includes non-lucrative visas, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel insurances. Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, featured blog posts, and even news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.